Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I recently started working on a design where I needed nupps, where I wanted nupps in a certain area, but it's in the middle of decreases. So I decided to go ahead and do decrease nupps or nupp decreases. I think I like nupp decreases better, though it's probably not quite correct. If you want to follow along with a swatch, just follow these instructions. Knit the first 4 stitches. So this is a knit 2 together. Going to work these next 2 stitches just like a knit 2 together, except it's also a nupp. So knit the 2 stitches together as if they are one. Pull up a longer loop. I'm going to do 5 loops for my nupp. There's 3, 4, 5. And drop those 2 stitches off. Knit 2. And do it again. Knit 2 together. Longer loop. 3, 4, and 5. Finish knitting across. Turn around, knit 2, purl across to the last 2 stitches, closing the nupps as you come to them, which means purl 5 together. When you get to the last 2 stitches, go ahead and knit them. Okay. So these are knit 2 together nupps. Right. I'm going to pull it off the needle, pull out the last 2 rows. Instead of just making the swatch smaller and smaller, and I'll show you how to do slip, slip, knit nupps. All right, instead of pulling those guys out just to re-knit them, I'm just going to put them on this other needle here. All right, so back to the beginning of the swatch. I've knit the first 4 stitches. I'm going to do a slip, slip, knit, nupp. Slip the first stitch knitwise, replace it on the needle. I'm going to work into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a long loop, 5 loops. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 3. Slip the next one knitwise. Place on the needle, into the back loops. 1 long loop. Yarn over. 3, 4, 5. Knit the remaining stitches. Turn, knit 2, purl across to the last 2, closing the nupps as you come to them. If nupps are new to you, I have dropped the link to my nupps video in the description below. When you get to the last 2 stitches, knit them. And those are SSK Nupps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making!